Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, peace. Let's check out the HS320 Fly and Blow Bubbles drone by Holy Stone. Check this out, that is super cool. That's going to be so much fun to play with the grandkids. That's going to be awesome. Thank you, Holy Stone, for sending me this drone. That's mighty generous of you. You guys are awesome. Big shout out to Holy Stone and Lila and Dave out there. I appreciate all you do for me. All right, let's get into this, guys. Don't worry, I won't cut you. Oh, that's so cool. It's almost like a robin egg blue. Turquoise, I believe we call it. Very neat. Dang, this thing is brushless motors. Oh my goodness, has rubber feet. We know I like that. It's one of my favorites. Helps you stick the landing. Wow. Hope you're all doing well. Look at that. Super cool. Neat. Sticks move both directions. You get two big batteries here. I can get some good flight time there probably off of that. Good size modular battery, excuse me. I'm learning to talk again. It's my first day. Hopefully I'll get better at it as I go. Here we go, look at that. You got the charge port here, and that's your contacts there, I believe, maybe. Looks like, yeah, that's where it plugs in. Cool, very neat. Let me look at the, have to put my glasses on so I can read the small print. 3.7 volt, 1800 milliamp hours. Okay, what we got here? Bunch of party bubbles. How cool is that? You get a bunch of individually wrapped bubbles. Look like some silver stickers. Prop guards. So you get 4 pieces of the prop guards, so 1 for each. You have folding props, brushless motors. Very neat. Got some safety tape there to hold that cap in place. Alright, we'll get into this a little deeper. Manual. Quick start guide. Probably a battery warning in there. Instructions on how to put bubbles, I'm sure. Oh, you get a little bubble bottle. Easy squeezy type bottle. But there, you get a charge cable, some extra props, screwdriver, and a bunch of extra screws there in case you lose some. Very cool. Nice. Very nice of them to do that. That looks like your bubble tank. I see where the sticker come in handy there. That's what those look like they're for. Probably a little spacer so it's not wobbly inside, I'd imagine what that is. Just a little shim. That's just me guessing, I don't know. We'll find out. Okay, very cool. You can see here where it blows bubbles underneath. Looks like we got a trap door for the battery, or for the bubbles. That's, oh yeah, the battery goes on top, my bad. Hey, you get an extra bubble tank. That's super cool. How about that? Very neat. So 2 bubble tanks. Very neat. Alright, let me get some of this stuff out of the way and we'll get her loaded up and try it out. Let's see, we need batteries for the remote. Let's see what that's going to take. I'm not going to use prop guards. Seldom do, but they're nice for, especially for beginners. If you run into stuff, you won't break the props as easy or at all. Okay. One moment, I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back. I went and got some batteries. All right, let me show you how you charge your battery here. You just plug in your USB-C cable there, and then your 2.0 into your wall socket, or your wall adapter, I'm sorry. It's usually a 5-volt adapter. Okay, get this stuff out of the way. Puppy's got a squeaky toy, so don't mind that squeak. All right, let's see how many batteries. I'm guessing 3. Just guessing, I don't know, we'll see. What do you guys guess? Squeak. What are you doing, Peaches? Oh man, that's in there pretty good. Let me go get my better screwdriver. Not that these aren't good, but that's screws and they're really tight. Let me see, maybe. They're not the greatest, but they're good enough. I just don't have a very big handle for my big hands. It's hard to grab a hold of the little ones. Since I have some pretty good arthritis, I'm gonna go grab a better screwdriver. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Here we go. And the screwdriver almost matches. This is a Phillips screw, just in case you're wondering. Oh yeah, much better for my hands. Look at there. What is that? AAA? Okay. Be right back. Okay, I'm back with 3 AAA batteries. I bet you'd never guess where these batteries come from. Take a guess. I'm not gonna say it out loud. Here we go. Come here, Peaches. Let's show you to everybody. Come here. I want to introduce you to all my viewers. Come here, sweetheart. I can't even get the screw in there. My big old stupid fingers. Work with me, fingers. Come on. 3, 5, 4, phone. There she is. I hear her getting into my plastic. Hi, sweetie. Don't chew up the battery. Those probably wouldn't digest well. Okay, I got it. Look at there. Okay, we're in business. I think I used the right screw. I'm pretty sure that was the only one I had available. Oh, long press to turn it on. Looks like you're gonna go up and down on the throttle, maybe. I'm not certain, but we'll see. Why don't you just say hello? Say hello to everyone. This is Peaches. She's a little Dutch hound or dachshund. Little wiener dog, whatever you want to call her. She's beautiful. I love her. Okay, let's pop a battery in here real quick. Looks like the contacts are going to go up toward the front where the eyes are. Squeeze in on the buttons and push down, press down until it's seated. And then we have there the nozzle where the bubbles will feed through. Imagine this hole or that hole. This one probably. This one here. There's the lid to put the bubbles in. So let me get some bubbles ready. Peaches, you can't chew on the batteries. No, Peaches. No, no. That's okay, I'll forgive you. Okay. There's a pouch of bubbles. All right. So Let me see here. Let me go get a paper plate or something in case I spill some. Okay. It's not for you, girl. You wouldn't like this. It'd be gross. I'm hoping this is ready to go. Should have read the instructions. I will. Before we plug this in, I will. Well, there's a lot more in there than I thought. I just went right in there nice and smoothly. It's pretty neat how they have these sealed up like that. That's sweet, girl. Okay, so we'll put the lid back on. Hopefully that'll be enough to try it out. Let me read the instructions real fast here. Let's see what it says. Excuse me. Turn the latch clockwise and unlock it. Remove that cover. Pull the strap to lift out the container. I guess that's what it's for, so you can pull it out. Take off the cap from the container. Carefully pour in the bubble solution. Secure the cap on, making sure it is tightly sealed. So I guess I should have put all the bubbles in my little thing here and used this. But, so you see me, I did it the wrong way. Don't do this at home, just do it how you're supposed to. Okay, then it says keeping the drone body level, insert the container from the bottom up. Put the outer cover back on. Turn the latch counterclockwise to lock everything in place. Okay, let's do that. Okay. Let's see. I can clean some of that up a little bit. All right, so the nozzle's back here, so you want to put it in just like so. You can see that, okay? And then press it in there firmly. All right, then you can hold it upside down once you have it in there. And then the tab goes in toward the front, and then press it down, and then lock it in place with the tab, just like so. Okay, very cool. That's loaded with bubbles, I believe. And you can have another tank ready to go, so when you run out, you can just pop it in there real quickly. That's neat. The kids are gonna have a blast, I'm sure. All right, let's turn it on. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it even has lights. That's awesome. Okay, and then power on the drone. Looks like you're gonna have to slide the throttle all the way up, then back down. Okay, now we're bound to the drone. Ooh, look at that, that's neat. I like the eyes on it. Looks like a set of eyes, that's very cool. Headlights, plus they look like eyes, and then you have a tail light there. A red tail light, white headlights. Very neat. Okay, there's the bubble button, and you have trim adjustment, and it looks like auto takeoff. So you probably hold this, and then you move your joystick over here, probably left, right, up and down to adjust the trim. And we have speeds. Looks like gyro, and then that looks like, what is that, 360 spin, maybe? Or, I don't know if that's 360 flips. We'll find out. Let me look-see real quick. Take a look and see. A look-see. It's in the wrong language for me. There we go. number 6, it says, is the rotation short press. So it just spins and not flips. Okay, that's okay. It's very cool. It'd be kind of hard to blow bubbles and flip. All right, let's see what we can do here. Let's see if I can start the motors. Yep, so both sticks down into the middle. We'll start it and stop it. Okay. Down into the middle. And then you have auto takeoff, auto land right there. The power button. There is no camera or anything. This is just a bubble drone. It's going to be really fun to play with my grandkids for sure. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and reset the camera so I can show you guys how this works. So we're going to do it right here in the living room. It's too dark out right now. One moment. All right, let's do this. Down into the center. Then up on the stick. Well, would you look at that? Super. Well, that's nice and smooth, brushless drone. Okay, you guys ready for bubble time? Yes? Okay, here we go. Bubble time. Hey. I hear it kicking in. There it goes. Look at that. How cool. Bubbles. That's neat. Oh, they're gonna love that. That's so cool. Imagine that outside. That's neat. You can shut off same way. Bubbles. Just press it, short press. Super cool. Short press, shut it off. Got bubbles everywhere in here. I'm gonna use it for mop solution today. Mopping solution. That's super neat. So cool. Oh, that's very neat, Holy Stone. Very cool, I'm impressed. Alright, let's go ahead and try the auto land. Let me get her back over here in the middle. Auto land. Maybe that's not what that is. Yeah, it should be. There we go. Just have to long press it. I wasn't pressing it long enough. Okay, let's try the auto takeoff. Let's see. Nice. Just long press it. You don't even have to start the motors. That's cool. Bubbles. No bubbles. Bubbles. No bubbles. Bubbles. No bubbles. Bubbles. Okay, I know I'm getting aggravated. I'm done. I get some bubbles on the camera. That'd be cool. Whee! Well, I'm having fun. I don't know if I'm going to hand this off to the grandkids or not. I'm kidding. I'm kidding, grandkids. Of course, it's going to be yours. Your mom's going to have to fly it for you, or your dad, or both. They can take turns. They can fight. They can fight over it. Draw straws, arm wrestle, something. Wrestle. Not literally fight. No boxing, unless you got gloves. No bubbles. Okay, let's go ahead and land it manually and see how I can do this. It's super nice. Man, that is a smooth flying drone. Well, there you have it, guys. From Holy Stone, the bubble drone. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Peace.